Here today demonstrating the Sebco 2300 litre farmer model. As you can see, with all of the Sebco range of tanks, they're made from durable polyethylene to withstand the harsh New Zealand environment. Lockable pump bay here, held up by the gas struts. As you can see inside here, guys, the farmer model is characterised by the use of a Pusey cube Bowser setup. So these can be in either 12 volt or 230 volt if you're using mains power. Here we have a 12 volt system, so that makes it a cube 56. The 230 volt model is a cube 70. And the 12 volt pump in this case is actually being powered by a 20 watt solar cell and deep cycle battery, which will be mounted to the roof of the bund. Inside, obviously, you can see the fill point, Pusey cube as we've spoken about, and clear bowl filter.